Hello and welcome. This group is formed by me, Pamela Vargas, Zulady Peña, and Marx Vargas, and we are going to talk about Russia. Geography. Russia is bounded to the north and east by the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The south borders with the North Korea, China, Mongolia, and Georgia. To the southwest and west borders with Ukraine, Estonia, and Norway. Music. Russian traditional music specifically is diverse with the folk music tradition to the ethnic Russian people. Arguably, the most famous Russian songs are Kalinka, Kazachok, and Darongoy. It is often used in movies when the action switches to Russia or when Russian characters enter to a scene. Sport. The most popular sports in Russia is football, hockey, coming second with handball, volleyball, tennis, chess, auto racing, boxing, futsal, and among others, rounding out the top 10 rankings. Flag. The flag of Russian Federation is a tricolor flag consisting of three equal horizontal dirs, white on the top, blue in the middle, and red on the bottom. Main characters. Vladimir Putin is one of the longest-serving Russian leaders in power. The second, Vladimir Putin, is known as Lenin. He is known as the best revolutionary in Russia, if not or rebellion war. And Olga Khokhlova was the Pablo Picasso's wife, and she was influential ballet dancer.